Hello everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. In this video, we're going to be talking about Cash App and a new feature that they've added called Savings, which is pretty standard for most banks nowadays, but I guess Cash App finally decided to hop on the train. So this feature is a little different from your typical savings account. We're going to get into that right now. So you want to start off by opening the Cash App up, and then you want to click on your balance in the bottom left-hand corner. Then you're going to see where it says Savings. Now make sure your app is up to date because this is a new feature. If it's not up to date, this may not appear. We're going to go ahead and click on Savings, and we see a few options. The first is to transfer money into the account and transfer out, but we're going to actually cover that later. Let's start off by actually setting a savings goal. So you click on Set a Goal, and we're just going to read, set a goal, save at your own pace, and we'll track your progress along the way. I'm going to hit Continue. It's going to ask how much do you want to save. For this example, we're going to aim to save $100. Click on Continue. And then it's going to allow you to pick some kind of emoji that you want to use to demonstrate what you're saving for. I actually do have a birthday coming up, so if I plan on getting myself a nice birthday present or throwing some kind of party, we're going to go ahead and go with the cake icon. You can skip this if you want it though. Click Set Emoji. It says Goal Set. Your goal is now set for $100. Add cash to start saving. And of course, if you want to add money from here, you could do so. We're going to add $10. Then it's just confirming if I want to transfer money from my Cash App balance to my savings account on Cash App. If you wanted to, you could click on Cash Balance and pull it from whatever debit card you have on file. Gonna click on Transfer. And boom, I've transferred $10 into the savings account. Next, we're going to cover the roundups feature. So we click on roundups. It has the option to turn on roundups. For those of y'all that don't understand what roundups are, you can check this video out that goes into more details on what roundups are and how you can set roundups to actually go towards investments like the stock market and Bitcoin if you so desire. We're going to click on turn roundups on. And it just basically explains to us every time we use our Cash App card, the roundups will be going to our savings account. I'm going to click on Done. And finally, we have the option to transfer out or transfer in. So if I wanted to transfer money out of my savings account, I would just click on Transfer Out. Let's say I want to transfer $5 out. I click Transfer to Cash Balance. And it's done that. Now let's say if I wanted to transfer money in, and we're going to actually go ahead and complete the savings goal. Click on Transfer Money In. Gonna select $95. It's letting me know, do I want to transfer the whole thing? I'm going to say yes. And as we see, I've reached my savings goal, which is awesome. As of right now, the savings is just sitting in that account and I can do with it as I please. But keep in mind, if I do want to spend it, I do need to move the money from the savings account to the cash balance, and then I can use my Cash App card to spend that money, or I would need to transfer it to my bank account or to another debit card in order to spend it. Now, some questions that you may have right off the bat is, does this savings account pay any interest? At the time of this recording, it does not. It's just something that you can use to save money for a goal, but it's not going to pay any interest. So I don't recommend leaving money in here as a strategy to offset inflation, because that's not going to be what this is for. This is more so I want to save up some money for something real quick, maybe have my roundups go there, and once I hit it, go ahead and buy that thing, boom. Of course, if that changes in the future, which I think it'd be pretty cool if it did, I will put the interest rate in the pinned comments so you can see what the current interest rate would be. I don't see it really changing, to be honest though. So with that being said, that concludes this video. If you have an interest in signing up for Cash App but you haven't done so yet, you want to check out this video that goes over the sign up process and how to do it. If you found this video helpful, a like for a YouTube algorithm is greatly appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.